If you own a pair of AirPods Max, you probably already know that the ear cups come off. But did you know that you can also take off the headband in order to clean it or get it replaced? Let me show you how. First, what you're going to do is lay the AirPods Max down flat and remove each of the ear cups. Once you've done that, you're going to notice that there's one hole on each of the drivers, and that's where the SIM pin's going to go. But first, you're going to want to extend both of the telescoping arms as far as they'll go. Once you've done that, gently push the SIM pin into the hole and then push up on the headband until you feel it click, and then it will come out. Do the same to the other side. Once you remove both of the drivers, you'll notice the only thing connecting the drivers to the headband are these little things that look like lightning connectors, which make it really easy to take apart and put back together. Once you've done that, just get yourself 2 soft rags, as well as a cup of room temperature water and a tablespoon of laundry detergent, and scrub each of the ear cups as well as the headband. Once you're done with that, make sure to dry them really well and then let them air dry until they're completely dry before putting it back together. And now I'll show you how to put it back together. Stick the headband into the drivers and twist until you hear a nice little snap, and then it's hooked on, and do the same to the other side, and then drop both of the ear cups in and it's put back together. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.